Nokia is a very old and trusted smartphone brand. After missing for a few years, Nokia is going to launch another great smartphone. According to the information, inside this smartphone you are going to get a great DSLR camera quality of 200 megapixels along with 24 GB RAM. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Oxygen Ultra Max 5G smartphone. The company says that even the iPhone will pale in comparison to its attractive looks and powerful features. If you also want to buy this smartphone, then watch the video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Oxygen Ultra Max 5G. First of all, let's talk about its display. You will be given a 6.85-inch Super AMOLED display in this phone, which will come with 120 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate. Apart from this, it will have in-display fingerprint sensor and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Camera setup. The camera of this new Nokia phone is going to be the most amazing camera. In this phone you have been given a rear side quad camera setup, whose main camera is going to be 200 megapixels with OIS support. Apart from this, it will have a 32 megapixel telephoto sensor, 16 megapixel ultrawide lens, and 8 megapixel depth sensor. Talking about the front camera, you are going to get a 50 megapixel selfie sensor in this phone. Battery backup. Talking about its powerful battery, you will get to see a powerful battery of 7500 mAh in this phone. And with this you will get 120 watt fast charging support and Type-C charging socket. Processor. In this upcoming smartphone of Nokia, you will get to see Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the most powerful mobile chipset till date, as a processor. With this, you can do multitasking along with professional gaming in a very smooth manner. Well, if we talk about the operating system, you will be given the latest Android 15 in it. Price and launch date. If we talk about the price of the mobile, then its estimated price can be around $800. And if we talk about the launch date, then this phone can be launched in the beginning of next year.